Hi, welcome to The Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle and today I'm going to show you how to remove sticker from wood. This technique can also be applied on glass and plastic. Maybe you or your children used to collect stickers and would like to remove them now. Or maybe you have old bottles that you would like to reuse and you want to get rid of the sticker labels. This technique will be able to help you do these. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we have new videos.
The materials we need are coconut oil, microfiber cleaning cloth, and a knife. Dip the cloth into the coconut oil and use it to soak the sticker you want to remove. The oil will loosen up the sticker and the adhesive residue. Wrap the knife with a microfiber cleaning cloth and start peeling the sticker off. Repeat this step until the sticker is fully soaked in coconut oil. Add more oil as needed. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to avoid scratching the surface. You may add a bit of oil to polish the wood.
I hope we were able to help you today. For more cleaning tips, you can follow us on our Facebook page or visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!